we use a micrometer screw gauge first. So this is micrometer screw gauge without any zero error. You see that the zero line is aligned at 0. This simulation can actually simulate zero error. So if you have a positive zero error, you notice that the readings are not aligned. So even though there's nothing over here and it actually shows some value, it means that the device is actually not correct. So if you open this up, whatever reading that you have, it is actually an overestimation of it. So when fully closed, the micrometer with positive zero error will not be aligned with 0, as illustrated below. So in this case, then what is the zero error value? It is 0.03. How do I obtain this value 0.03? Is that this is the line is supposed to be, and then this is over here. Okay, so you find that you have a 3 division. Okay, in this case, so this is the value of 3. So since each division is actually 0.01, so 3 means that it is 0.03. Okay. Likewise, when it's fully closed, micrometer with negative zero error is not aligned with 0, but you find that the 0 is on top. Okay, so the error in this case is negative 0.02. So the difference between, this is the line that's aligned, so the difference between 0 to here is 2. So this is actually 0.02 mm. Let's make use of an example to help you to understand how to calculate or obtain the correct reading. So this is a scenario. So you find that starting you have a zero error diagram, okay, where it's fully closed. Then you have the device that's measuring, in this case, the iPhone, okay, to try to measure the thickness. So how will you obtain the correct value of the thickness of iPhone? Is that first you need to obtain the zero error. In this case, negative 0.07. As mentioned before, you need to compare the 0 and the where it is the line that's over here. In this case, it is actually 0. You find that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, this is actually 7 spacing below. Okay, so in this case, it's negative 0.07. The reading of the micrometer, if you read this is the observed reading. So also practice, okay, what this 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So you have a 4.5. Then this reading is actually 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So you just add a 0.34. So the reading is actually 4.84. But remember, this is observed reading. So therefore, the thickness of this, correct thickness of this phone is 4.84. Subtract away the error, but in this case it's negative zero error, so you find that you just, in this case, this is actually just add a 0.07. So the correct answer would be 4.91 mm.